Have you ever sworn something happened a certain way, only to find out everyone else remembers it differently? Maybe you remember a childhood toy looking one way, but now it looks totally different. Or a quote from a movie that you know was never like that. Is your memory failing you? Or are you tapping into something deeper? Today we're exploring false memories versus parallel realities and the thin line between psychology and the multiverse. A false memory is when your brain creates a memory of something that didn't happen, or distorts what really did. It's not a lie, you truly believe it happened that way. This can be triggered by emotion, suggestion, or even group influence. Psychologists call it confabulation, your mind filling in the blanks. Examples? You might remember a conversation that never happened, or misremember the color of a childhood home. The Mandela Effect, where people collectively misremember events, is a famous example, like thinking Nelson Mandela died in prison when he didn't. But here's where things get interesting. Wrong. What if you're remembering it from a different timeline? Enter the idea of parallel realities, alternate versions of our universe where events played out differently. Some theorists suggest that when we experience false memories, we're actually slipping consciousness between these realities. Think of it like radio stations. You're tuned into 98.7 FM, but for a moment you catch a signal from 100.3. That flicker, that confusion, could be a bleed-through from another you, in another world. Quantum physics has shown us that particles can exist in multiple states at once. Could our consciousness do the same? Some researchers and many spiritual teachers believe we're constantly shifting through quantum branches. Tiny decisions, shifts in vibration, or emotional resonance might move us between similar but different timelines. So when you remember something that nobody else does, it might not be a glitch. It might be your awareness echoing from a reality you just left behind. So, false memory or parallel reality? Science says memory is malleable, but mystery says maybe you've touched another world. Whether it's brain chemistry or multiverse travel, one thing's for sure, reality is weirder than we think. And so is our mind. Which do you believe? Drop a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the strange and unexplained. Until next time, keep questioning what's real